Now, if you want to know if there is a market in your niche, okay, here you type keyword tool, very simple, and then here you see Google keyword tool, Google AdWords. I'm gonna click on this, and you have the keyword planner tool of Google. So adwords.google.de keyword planner. Okay, here you click on login. Okay, I'm gonna type my password. So you need to have a Google account. Okay, you're redirected now automatically. And this is the best way to find information about your niche. Okay, here there are some terms conditions that have been updated. Okay, here we are. I'm going to this one, tools. Okay, keyword planner. Here we are. Click on this one. And here we are, for example, going to type golf merchandise. Okay, so we want to see if we can promote in golf merchandise. Get started. I can also increase the number of keywords. Okay, like golf, then merchandise. I want to have golf merchandise together. And here you can see, okay, online golf, golf shop online, golf online shop. So here you see the keywords from golf merchandise and average monthly searches. So here you have 1,000 to 10,000. Okay, golf, this is a medium, and you see also the competition. What are other businesses doing online? So competition is medium, low. So here it's very aggressive for you. But of course, here there is not too much. But you can just verify if you can narrow down your search. Here, see, high competition. So you skip this in the US. Okay, but you can go here, this part, and then these are AdWords bid rates. Okay, but at least you know if there is a market. Okay, you can see here, and you see using the keyword planner tool if there is a competition, how many searches, and what your competition is doing. Second way is to go to Google and type golf merchandising. Okay, and what is incredible here, you will see here ads. That means that there is a market. Otherwise there is no market here, not too much market. There's only one ad, but merchandise. Okay, and here you see with golf merchandise, this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. So, and here there are some ads. That means that there is a market. So you should promote in this area using these keywords, because here you see, you can already see that there are ads here and here. If you don't find these ads here and here like we saw before, then skip these keywords. Don't do any business. Okay, like that. Okay, or if you want to say sailing boat. Okay, here we are, not too much, but here sailing courses, and not too much. You see here we have two ads. Okay, sailing yacht master course, and here we have two ads. So here, of course, and then you go again to this one. I'm gonna type also with more keywords. You find a narrow niche. Okay, get results. Here you see, okay, not too many searches until there is yacht here. Okay, where competition is low, but you should promote yacht. Okay, but at least you know you combine Google search with Google keyword planner. You can find if there is a market and if there is a competition.